Lily, what you got?
Oh, for me at least. For me, I had,
Whoa!
all of a sudden I was like trying
There's
to
Lily and
call,
her giant
and
beach
I was
ball.
like, oh,
Wanted to show everyone how much of a good walker she is.
pretty good.
She just storms all through the house. She keeps trying to lift the sack of potatoes that are meant for Thanksgiving dinner. She's trying really hard, but she doesn't realize that it weighs about half as much as she does. And there's the dog. Hi, doggies. Bless you. Bless you. Lily. Bless you. Lily. Lily, look at the camera. Can you wave? Can you wave? Wave at Mama. Anyways, she would wave, but she's awfully busy at the moment. She's gonna pull out the walnuts, it looks like. Say, Lily. Oh, the pumpkin. Happy Thanksgiving! Lily, 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 hi! Happy Thanksgiving!